Given these two functions here, we're being asked to find f composed with g of x. So this is a function composition. It's an operation that is unique to functions. So by definition, what that means is f of g of x. So we want to keep our function letters basically in the same order that they're given in. So this is f of g of x, and we want to start by working our way on the inside and working our way out. So our inner function here is the g of x, and so we're going to start by looking at that, and we're going to replace that g of x with what it is equal to. And in the instructions up here, it says g of x equals 2x squared minus x minus 1. So we're going to replace that entire symbol g of x with the expression 2x squared minus x minus 1 because that's what it's equal to. Now I still have this f in front, so I still have to evaluate f at this expression g of x. So now I'm looking at my function f, which is the first one that's given up here, and the x in this case is really just kind of a placeholder. It's a generic input. So f is actually taking that input and multiplying it by 5 and then adding 6. And f is going to do that to any input, no matter what that input is, whether that input is x, whether it's a number, or whether it's something like what we have down here that we're having to plug in, an expression like 2x squared minus x minus 1. So essentially we're looking at our function f and we're replacing everywhere that we see an x with this entire expression 2x squared minus x minus 1. So f is telling us to do 5 times that input and then plus 6. And so then we just need to go ahead and distribute that 5, and then we'll have a couple like terms to combine. So just those constant terms on the end. So we get 10x squared minus 5x plus 1. And that's our f composed with g of x function.